Hello, I wanted to share with you an exciting update for the COVID Detect study. Right now, or prior, the study could only be joined on the Eureka mobile app, but now participants could choose to participate on the web. So this would be the case if a participant doesn't want to download the app, maybe they don't have a smartphone, or maybe they don't want to give a cell phone number. These are all reasons why someone might choose to participate on the web. So this is the web landing page. This is the URL of the study, coviddetect.eurekaplatform.org. And you'll notice that there are some information. There's information about the study. There are some links for quick download to iOS and Android devices. So if I click those, it's actually going to ask me for my phone number. It's also going to give me the study key to help me download the app. It also has the text back here. So this does the same thing. If a participant texts texts detect to 41411, the deep link, which is the same link to help download the app, will be sent here. So that's no change from what's already been going on. What's new is by clicking this button, a participant can enroll on the web. And this is still a private study, and so a referral is required. Another way to say referral is the study key. So that's why participants have to search for this study on the app. So on the web, we have a similar mechanism to make sure that they are invited. So right now I'm just going to click join the study. And what I see here is a page that says referral required. And that's because we haven't added the equivalent of the study key to the URL on web. So let's go back to that home page. And up here to the URL, we have to add detect, just like in the study key. So I'm actually going to do detect test because I want to be on the testing referral, but real participants would go to this URL with just /detect, but I'm using the test referral. You'll see that it updated to a bunch of gibberish up here that is just associating them with the site, the same as searching for the study key on mobile. So now when I hit join the study, I am going to not see that referral required page because we've added it. And I'm going to see a page, again, asking for my unique participant code, exactly the same as on mobile. So I'm going to grab my unique participant code right quick that I've been assigned. And I'm going to enter it. Hopefully this one hasn't been used. Fantastic. And so now we call on web, we call this the pledge page. These are the same details that participants see on the app. All right, sounds good. All right, so I'm going to create a test user. I'm just making it up right here for testing purposes only. All right. Oh, I'm gonna make my email unique for my test user. All right, and so now I'm asked if I want to add my cell phone. So this is really the main difference between web and mobile. So on mobile, when participants download the app and sign up for the study, it is required to have both an email address and a phone number on file. But on the web, participants have a choice. They could provide their phone number, and it's probably useful so you can contact them. But a participant could decide that I don't have a cell, or choose to acknowledge that they don't have a cell phone, and they can continue. Okay, same eligibility survey that is seen on mobile. So I'm going to make myself eligible. Okay, same steps here. We're going to access DocuSign. And so from here on out, everything is mirrored. The same things that happen on mobile that you're used to are the same things that happen on web. I'm just going to go ahead and click through this onto the HIPAA form. All right, and now that I've finished HIPAA, I am ready for my surveys. The surveys are exactly the same on web and mobile. So let's go ahead and just take a look. So I'll take the survey, and here's the baseline survey. So this is exactly same questions on web and mobile. Obviously on web, there's more room, so a participant can scroll through all of the questions. Where on mobile, it's one question at a time. The participant will show up in the admin panel the exact same way. Let me show you that. Okay, I'm gonna refresh this. So I'm on the admin panel, and here's the test user I just made. Same thing, if I click on the name, and now I can expand this. We'll see exactly the same, the consent that I just signed. I chose not to put a cell phone number, so that's why one doesn't appear here. My address will appear there once I've filled in that activities. And just as before, there are my activities that I will be completing. I'll be told in the same manner to wait for a coordinator before I continue to the daily symptoms and specimen collection. And also, as before, here are my coordinator forms. So no change there. So let me go back once more to my web participant. Just as a quick recap, participants can now sign up on the web. They do need to use the URL with the /detect, because that's the same as the study key. And from here, they can hit join the study and enroll on the web. The one thing that's really great about the Eureka platform is it's got this single sign-on approach. So if someone decides to enroll on the web and then they're like, you know what, I will download the app. They can just download the Eureka app and log in with the same credentials and see the same study activities there. So we call that a mirrored approach. Exact same experience. All right, so that's it. Participants can now enroll on the web. Thanks.